In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display language on your Google Ads account. If you want your Google Ads interface to appear in a different language, the process is quite straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly, so it's easy to follow from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account. If you manage more than one account, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward, so you're changing the settings for the account you actually want to use. After that, give the Google Ads dashboard a moment to load completely. This is important because if the page is still loading, some menu options may not appear right away or may be harder to access. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This will open your broader Google Account settings, which is where the language preference is controlled. On the Google Account page, find the menu on the left-hand side and click Data and Privacy. Once you're on that page, scroll down until you see the section called General Preferences for the Web. In that section, click Language. You'll now see your current language setting. To change it, click the Edit icon, which looks like a small pencil, next to the language that's currently selected. A list of available languages will appear. Take your time and choose your preferred display language from the list. Once you've selected the language you want, click Save to confirm the change. Saving is important here because if you navigate away before confirming, the update may not be applied. After the change has been saved, return to your Google Ads tab. Refresh the page so the platform can reload using your updated language preference. In most cases, this should update the interface right away. Finally, check the Google Ads dashboard and verify that the menus, labels, and interface text are now shown in your selected language. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page once more or waiting a few moments for the update to fully take effect. And that's it. You've successfully changed the display language on your Google Ads account. This can make the platform easier to navigate and more comfortable to use, especially if you prefer working in your native language. Thanks for watching.